So now that we've changed the theme, we want to change the panel's interface, the way they're presented on the screen. Why? Well, because it can be more easier to use them in certain configurations, especially for those of you who come from Photoshop or other software like that. And this is very simple to do. So let's first see how this interface works. It's made of panels. So here you have the tool panels, okay, the tools panels, where you can use many different things to change your picture, the photo you want to change, to draw, etc. You see? Then here you have the tool options panel, which is very important. It's where you find the settings of your tool. So for instance, here I have a tool that is, let's go for a brush, okay? And if I want to change the size of the brush, it's here, all right? But as you can see on my screen, this is a bit narrowed. So what I want to do is to change it, to put it somewhere else, so that I can get a better vision of what I do and how I can change the settings. So I would take this panel here. If you click on this, you can see that you can move the panel here. You can put it here. You can put it on another screen, by the way. You can change the size, etc. All right? But you can also dock it somewhere else. If I take this panel and put it here, you can see there is a line that is a bit more thicker. And here I can have this panel. And then I will close those panels here because I don't want them. So I just click on the panel that I want to close. Then I click on this small arrow and close tab. And again, close tab and close tab. So now I have some kind of more adapted interface to my screen. And if I change the tools, if I go to another tool, I can have the proper setting here, all right? And this is pretty cool. Then on this side of the screen, we have other panels, and we will keep some of them. We keep those at the bottom here, and we will add some more upstairs, if I can say, on the upper side of this menu. So for that, just go to Windows, Toggle Dialogs, and then you can add new panels. In this case, let's turn to navigation. Navigation is here, but I want to put it on some upper level on the screen. So I just take it and drag it here. And this panel, let us show the what is on the screen, what you're working on. You can change, you can zoom in, zoom out, etc. Okay, that's the first one. The other one I want to add here is a selection editor. It helps use the selection and I work with it. It's something we will see later. Okay, now we have this one. There are other tools here, and I won't keep all of them. What I want to use now is also, first off, I will get rid of this one, the fonts. Okay, close tab. Then I will get rid of this one. All right, and we will keep brushes, patterns, and we will add a new one, which is about colors. So I just go again to Windows, Toggle Dialogs, and let's see how to find the colors. The colors. Where are they? It's not patterns. We have it. It's colors. It's here. Okay. So colors. What colors? This color panel was added here, but what I want is to have it here. Okay, great. Yeah, there is a square. Okay, here it is. And with this one, we can change the colors we want to use. Okay, it's a bit like this, but it goes even further. Here we have brushes, and here patterns. It's tools that we will use later. And here we have the layers, channels, and path panels, and we will use them as well later. And in this case, I have a kind of pretty decent interface. And if I want to change it, it's very simple. Let's say I have many layers. It's a tool that we will see later. As I said, you can take it and drag it here, and voila, you have a complete interface with all your layers, and you can create many layers and sub layers and folders, etc. That's it.